Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial we'll write a Python program to swap two numbers. So input to this program is nothing but we need two numbers and we'll store that two numbers in two variables. For example, a equal to 10 and b equal to 5. So we'll take two input from the user, two numbers, and now we need to swap this number. So we'll get output as in the A, I need to get 5 and in the B, I need to get 10. This is the input and this is the output. So how to do this? We can do this in different way. One of the simple and easiest way is we can use a third variable and we can swap these two numbers. For example, I'll take a third variable as temp and I'll store the value present in A in the temp. So next I'll store whatever the value present in B in A. So A becomes B. And to B I'll store the value present in temp. So now I'll explain you how this works. So temp is a variable, okay? So I'll initialize that temp variable with A. A contains value 10 here. Okay, so temp becomes 10. Next I'll store whatever the value present in B in A. So B is nothing but 5. So now A becomes 5. Initially A was 10 and B was 5, right? Now when I execute temp equal to A, whatever the value present in A will be stored in the temp. So temp becomes 10. Next what I'll do is the value present in B, I'll store that in the variable A. So A becomes 5. Next what I'll do is B equal to temp. Whatever the value present in temp, that is nothing but the previous A value, I'll store that in the B. So B becomes 10. So I got A as 5 and B as 10. Here we can see value is swapped now, right? Initially A was 10, B was 5. Now here we can see A is 5 and B is 10. So in this way we can swap the two numbers using the third variable. How to write the Python program to do this? So for that, so here I'm using Python dark theme. How to change Python theme, I explained about this in the previous tutorial. I will give you the link of that in the description box. You can go and check that. So coming to the program, first we need to take the input. What is the input for this program? We need two numbers, right? And we need to store that in two variables. So first I'll take variable name as A and I'll take the input from the user. And here I'll take the integer inputs, okay? If you want, you can take float values also. Because we are using Python 3 and in Python 3 by default this input function will take input as the string value. But here we want number, int number or float number. Here I'm taking the int number, that's why I'm converting this string input to integer here. If you want, you can change that to float also using float function. Next I'll take B and I'll enter the second number. So Control C and Control V and enter the second number, right? So now we are done with the inputs. We'll enter two numbers and that two numbers will be stored in A and B. Now we need to swap this. For this we need a third variable. I'll take third variable as temp and first I'll store the value present in A in the temp. Next what I'll do, the value present in B, I'll store that in A, and for B, I'll store the value present in temp. Now I'll print a statement. Numbers are swapped. A value is B value is. Let's print the value before swap also, right? So here I'll take Control C and before swapping that I'll print that before swapping so we are taking the input from the user. Next we are printing the A and B value before swapping. Next here we are swapping the value using the third variable. Next, here we are printing the swapped value. So I'll save this and run this. So enter two numbers. I'll enter 10 and 20. Before swapping, A value is 10, B value is 20. Numbers are swapped, A value is 20 and B value is 10. I'll give you a general example to understand this swapping, okay? Imagine that me and my friend are holding two buckets. I'm holding one bucket with my both hand because it is filled with the water, and my friend also doing the same. Now we need to exchange the buckets. To take the bucket from my friend, I need to place my bucket somewhere else, right? So that's what I'm doing here. So to take the bucket from my friend, first I need to place my bucket somewhere else because my hands are busy, right? So to make it free, I need to place my bucket somewhere else. That's what we are doing here. I'll give my bucket to my second friend. She is free. Her hands are free. I'll give my bucket to her and I'll take bucket from my friend. Now my friend will take the bucket from my friend. So now here we can see our buckets are exchanged with the help of a second friend. That's what we are doing here. This is the one way to swap two numbers. There is another simple way, that is without using third variable. That is, you can write like this: A equal to B, that is equal to B comma A. A comma B, that is equal to B comma A. So whatever the value present in A will be stored in the B, and whatever the value present in B will be stored in A. So now if I execute this, here we can see the output. So I'll enter 1 and 2, and here we can see values are swapped. A value is 2 and B value is 1. Okay, so this is about how we can swap two numbers in Python. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.